So you should hold this like this. You don't cover here. Continue to empty everything. Okay, so you hold this and you take a deep breath. And you blow. I'm not really used to this one. Mine looks different than this one. Ung ålder 55.
We are taking 5 tubes from each patient. This is the first station where the blood samples are arriving. Okay, so this is the centrifuge where we are putting the tubes. We are putting the plasma and the serum tubes in this centrifuge. And after we are taking out and putting the samples into the Hamilton machine, everything is barcoded on the plate. This is a 384 wire plate, and we have 1D barcode on the plate side, and we have 2D barcodes on the wire, so each vial is individual barcodes. And on the tubes, when we got the tubes from the hospital, it is barcoded as well.
The interface unit has sublimation technology which defrosts from plates which are transferred.
Amount, I think 70 microliters. They store. What this does now is you've got 4.5 million samples in this store.
There's an identical code in the bottom of the tube. It's sealed, it's heat sealed, and you have like 70 microliter in each aliquot. In this other storage format, it's 96 tubes.
Sample, process it and put it here in mass spectrometry. But if you want to go deep, if you want to have a broader picture and a deeper picture of what is going on the cell, put it in this vial. When it goes to the mass spec, we're analyzing like 10 sample replicates of the analysis to get a better result. There's, no. And then the mass spectrometer, the sample goes to the liquid phase to a gas phase. So we need to take these molecules to a gas phase.
Det är egentligen det andra steget.
Maybe a bit of the whatever.